Okay, so I just want to show you a quick trick I found out for installing your belt on your Z drive with it fully assembled. Now I've already done this on my 3 that are attached to the frame. However, I've taken one out here just so I can get it on camera on how to do it. So excuse the shitty ganky setup here for my camera angle, but this is it. So you got to get the belt in around the 20-tooth gear there and back out. So what I found was you feed it in with the teeth to teeth. You just go down a bit. Now it's gonna come around, and then you got to try and get it up. So it is possible. Kind of just trick is not having too much. There you go. And you just feed it in. So it can be done. Another trick I have is if it doesn't make it around the turn, I use like a small flathead to push the belt into the gear itself, and then I spin it manually, and that will feed it around the bend. And then once it gets to this point, you kind of just have to poke it so it'll continue back up through the front, and then you just grab it with a pair of pliers. So it is possible to feed the belt through the Z drive without disassembly.